Hello everybody, how are you doing? Today in this video I am just going to unbox the P2419H 24-inch LED monitor. Let me explain you through identifying the types of Dell monitor by understanding what the monitor model number means. The first letter describes the series made by Dell, like D low cost, E entry, P professional, S consumer, U ultra sharp and UP ultra sharp professional. The monitor that I have is professional series. The second two digits show the display size and the next show the generation year. This monitor was manufactured in May 2020 and today I just bought it. The last one shows the resolution. This monitor supports full HD, that is 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz. You can also find the naming guide in description of this video. So have a quick look and see how it looks like. Here is the instruction sheet how to set up this monitor. The cables. Only DP cable is included, and if you need the HDMI, then you have to buy this one. USB 3.0 upstream cable. The power cable, which is standard IEC. Next, we got the monitor stands, which is ergonomically friendly stand, supports a full range of position adjustments for maximum comfort. Here are VESA mounting holes to install on wall, and also this section to plug the stand. Here is a security lock slot which secures monitor with security lock. Security lock is not included, but I have one and will show you how to lock this. Here are some connectors: power connector, HDMI port, display port, VGA connector, USB upstream port, two USB 2.0 downstream ports. Also, on the left side of the monitor there are two USB 2.0 downstream ports. So we quickly assemble it. Make sure that the front is facing forward. It's very easy and you don't need a screwdriver. There is a little thumb screw. There are two slots you see here and gently insert it. Now you can rotate this at 90 degrees on both sides. This stand also have a pivot, so you can move at 40 degrees on both sides. Before you rotate the monitor, your monitor should be fully vertically extended. Vertical extension and fully tilt up to avoid hitting the bottom edge of the monitor. You can tilt at 5 degrees to downwards and 21 degrees to upward. The stand extends vertically up to 130 mm. Now I will plug in the cables through the cable management hole in the stand. Now connecting the HDMI cable to my laptop. Here I am playing a 4K video. Here you can choose from a list of preset color modes: standard, comfort view, movie, warm and cool. Use the input source menu to select between the different video signals that may be connected to your monitor. I am selecting the HDMI option as I am using the HDMI cable only. Use this menu to activate brightness and contrast adjustment. Use this menu to activate automatic setup and adjust menu. Use the input source menu to select between the different video signals that may be connected to your monitor. Use color to adjust the color setting mode. Use display menu to adjust image. The personalize option allows you to choose a feature from preset modes: brightness, contrast, auto adjust, input source, aspect ratio or rotation, and set it as a shortcut key. If you like this video, please thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe Technicya. Bye bye.